Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I must follow on Twitter using multiple accounts. Here, this is my software I currently using to manage multiple Twitter accounts. So first is account management. This function will help you to add and manage a limited Twitter account here. So you can choose the account you want here and choose login, and the software will auto log into the account I choose. So here you can see the software will auto open the browser like this and will auto log into the account I choose. So in each browser you can zoom in like this and use it just like a normal browser. Okay, to must follow on Twitter, I will go to follow function. So in here you can follow by user or follow by keyword or follow by tweets, or you can also unfollow. So I will choose follow by user. So first I will set up the basic configuration. First is number of threads. Number of threads is mean number of account running in the same time. And break interval time between two actions, and I will set up from 15 to 20 seconds. And number of account, each account will follow. Next, you can choose the option like not to be get flow, or follow by specified account, or follow people following specified account. And you can enter the link of enter the username of the account that you want to follow in here. If you don't have the username, you can go to scan function, scan data function. So you can scan an account tweet, or scan tweet by keyword, or scan account by keyword, or scan account information, or scan account interaction, or scan account follow. So by this function, you have to scan the username that you want. Okay, I will come back to the follow function here. So after you enter the username you want to follow, next you can interact to the username that you before the following, like post, bookmark, or comment to the post, or repost is mean retweet, and comment to bot, and you can comment by file that you want, and you can enter the content that you want in here, or you can automatic by AI. Next, I will choose the account I want to follow, and after everything set up, I restart and let the software do the work. Okay, so you can see the software will auto open the browser like this, and will auto must follow to the username that is already set up in the script. Okay, so basically, I just showed you how I must follow on Twitter using multiple accounts. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you can contact me on Telegram or Zap. And don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel to see more videos about automation software. Thank you so much.